to Subway. How may I take your order?
I would like a cold cut combo sandwich, please.
Okay, that will be $19.
But I only have $17.
Well, that means you can't get the cold cut combo sandwich.
That's it. I'm going to another Subway restaurant and I hope I never see you again.
Welcome to Subway. How can I take your order?
For Choo TV, we would like some apple slices.
I'm so sorry, but all out of apple slices.
No, he's not. We saw some apple slices at one of the tables.
It's just a fake. Get out of here.
So very mean to us. We're going to Wendy's instead. We hope we don't see you again.
I would like a foot side pizza and a meatball sub.
Sure, that will be $23.
Here's your food. Yum. Let's take the food. Inshallah. Go later.